Alright friends, now let's move on to rotate utility in Tailwind CSS. You see, if I want to rotate the image, I can use rotate class. For example, to rotate 45 degrees, we can apply the class rotate 45. This will rotate the image 45 degrees clockwise. Similarly, we can increase the rotation angle by using classes like rotate 90 for a 90-degree rotation. So let's apply it. I come here. I use angular image. Inside the body tag, I open image tag and then I say image and then I use angular.jpg. Okay. So let's rotate this image. I say rotate 45, for example. I save it. So let's refresh my page. You see I rotate my image. If I use rotate 90, for example, I come here, I say rotate 90. You see I rotate 90 degrees. It's easy, right? Super. In the next lesson, we will see scale utility class.